Have you ever had a dream where you suddenly realized you were dreaming? That electrifying moment when you know you're in control, able to shape the world around you, is called lucid dreaming, and it's not as far out of reach as you might think. Many believe dreaming is a passive experience, but what if you could actively engage with your dreams and create your own adventures? From flying through cityscapes to uncovering hidden aspects of your subconscious, lucid dreaming offers a path to explore the limitless boundaries of your inner world. The idea might sound a bit mystical, but here's the truth: lucid dreaming is a skill that can be learned, and it's much easier than you've been led to believe. With just 6 steps, you can begin to awaken within your dreams, turning the abstract into something you can control. These techniques aren't just for the spiritually inclined or those looking for escape. Many people use lucid dreaming for self-growth, problem-solving, and even for creative breakthroughs. It's about taking control of the part of your life you've been unconscious of for too long. You don't need to be a dream expert or spend years meditating to unlock this ability. Whether you're curious about lucid dreaming for fun or deeper self-exploration, these steps are designed for anyone. Imagine waking up each morning with a vivid memory of the incredible experiences you've had in your dreams, flying, meeting old friends, or even working through your anxieties in a controlled space. Ready to master the art of lucid dreaming and take control of your nights? Let's get started. 1. Keep a dream journal. Imagine waking up and being able to remember every vivid detail of your dreams, colors, emotions, even the conversations you had. A dream journal can be your secret weapon to unlock this hidden world. By placing a notebook and pen by your bedside, you're setting up a physical reminder that dreams matter. As soon as you wake, jot down anything you remember, no matter how fragmented or bizarre it may seem. Over time, you'll notice that your dream recall improves, like a muscle being trained. It's as if the mind begins to treat dreams as an important part of your waking life, sharpening your ability to remember them. Keeping a dream journal is about building a bridge between your conscious and subconscious minds. Each morning, as you write down even the faintest details, you're signaling to your brain that dreams are worth paying attention to. This practice doesn't just enhance dream recall, it opens the door to deeper self-awareness. Think of it like collecting clues from a treasure hunt. One dream might seem insignificant, but over time, patterns emerge, offering insights into your inner world. Journaling is the foundation that will help you uncover the layers of meaning hidden in your nightly journeys. Many people find that the act of writing in a dream journal is almost meditative. The stillness of the early morning, combined with the quiet reflection on your dreams, creates a moment of calm and introspection. Plus, it gives you the opportunity to notice recurring themes or symbols, which can be key when you're aiming to master lucid dreaming techniques. Whether you're after spiritual growth, problem-solving, or just a bit of fun, the dream journal is your trusty guide into the depths of your subconscious. And trust me, the more you use it, the more fascinating the results become. 2. Set an intention before sleep. Before you drift off, there's a quiet magic in setting an intention for your dreams. It's almost like whispering a secret to your subconscious. A simple phrase like, "I will remember my dreams in the morning," can transform the way you experience your dreams. This act of mentally affirming your desire is more than just words, it's a direct communication with your mind's deeper layers. Setting an intention before sleep plants the seed for a richer, more vivid dream recall, acting as a bridge between your waking and dreaming states. Think of your mind as a skilled navigator, always searching for direction. When you set an intention, you're giving it a map. By clearly stating your desire to recall your dreams, you train your mind to pay attention while you sleep. Just like telling yourself to wake up at a certain time without an alarm, you'd be surprised how effective this simple practice can be. It's a subtle shift, but with repetition, your brain starts to respond, making dream recall feel more natural and automatic. You might even wake up in the middle of the night with fragments of a dream fresh in your memory, ready to be captured. But intention setting is more than a nightly habit, it's a way to tune into the mysterious rhythm of your mind. If done regularly, it becomes a form of mindfulness, where you become more conscious of the unconscious. Imagine your mind as a stage, and each night, setting an intention is like preparing for the performance. You invite your dreams to step into the spotlight, ready to reveal their secrets. The key is consistency. The more you practice, the more connected you'll feel to your dream world, and trust me, that's where the magic happens. 3. Minimize distractions upon waking. Waking up can feel like a jolt back to reality, but what if you could hang on to that delicate thread connecting you to your dreams? The moment you wake up, your mind is still in that hazy, transitional state between dreamland and reality. To make the most of this, avoid moving or opening your eyes immediately. It might sound simple, but staying still gives you a precious opportunity to capture lingering dream fragments. Any sudden movement or distraction, like reaching for your phone, can scatter these fragile memories like mist. Think of it this way, your dreams are like faint imprints in the sand, and the second you move, the tide of wakefulness begins to wash them away. Instead of jumping out of bed, give yourself a moment to mentally replay your dreams. Let them settle in your mind, allowing the details to come back to you in waves. It's amazing how much more you can remember by simply staying still and letting the memories resurface. Practicing this technique daily will help enhance your dream recall over time. Distractions are dream thieves. The buzz of a phone notification, the glow of your alarm clock, or even just the rush to start your day can erase your dream memories in an instant. Instead, treat the first few minutes after waking as sacred. This quiet moment can be your gateway to preserving the remnants of your dream world. When you learn to harness this liminal space, you'll notice how much more you can remember and explore in your dreams. It's one of the simplest, yet most powerful, steps you can take toward mastering lucid dreaming techniques. 4. Practice meditation or mindfulness. Meditation has long been known as a doorway to higher awareness, and when it comes to dreaming, it works like a key that unlocks the deeper realms of your mind. By practicing meditation or mindfulness, you train your brain to quiet the noise of everyday thoughts, which helps you access the subtle, hidden layers of your subconscious. This heightened awareness creates a clear link between your waking and dreaming worlds. Through regular practice, you'll find it easier to tune into your dreams, almost like turning up the volume on a radio station you didn't know existed. Think of meditation as a daily workout for your mind, one that strengthens your ability to recall dreams. As you sit quietly, focusing on your breath, you build a mental muscle that makes it easier to access and retain dream memories. Just like how meditation makes you more present during the day, it also brings you closer to your dream experiences at night. Many who regularly meditate report having more vivid, memorable dreams, and they often credit their practice for being able to consciously navigate through those dreamscapes. If you've never tried meditation, start small. Just 5 minutes before bed can make a big difference. Focus on your breathing, clearing your mind of distractions. This practice not only helps with dream recall but also increases your chances of becoming aware that you're dreaming, a crucial step in lucid dreaming techniques. The more you practice mindfulness, the more in tune you'll become with both your waking and dream states, allowing you to explore your subconscious mind with clarity and control. 5. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Your bedroom is more than just a place to sleep, it's the gateway to your dreams. Creating a sleep-friendly environment can make all the difference when it comes to recalling your dreams and even enhancing their vividness. Imagine your room as a sanctuary for deep, uninterrupted rest. Keeping it quiet, dark, and free from distractions is key. Small touches like using soft lighting or blackout curtains can help signal to your brain that it's time to enter a deeper, more restorative sleep. The more relaxed your body and mind are, the easier it is to tap into the dream world. Think of how you feel when you walk into a spa. Calming scents, soft music, and a peaceful atmosphere can instantly shift your mood. You can recreate this same energy in your bedroom by using essential oils like lavender or chamomile. These natural aids promote relaxation, helping your body slip into a state of calm before sleep. When your mind is at ease, you're more likely to experience those rich, colorful dreams that linger in your memory. For some, even listening to soothing sounds or soft music can help create the ideal conditions for a restful, dream-filled night. Your bedroom should feel like a retreat from the chaos of everyday life. Imagine it as a sacred space where your dreams have room to breathe and unfold. This not only aids in dream recall but also enhances the quality of your sleep. The more restful your sleep, the more likely you are to wake up with clear memories of your dreams, ready to jot them down in your dream journal. Remember, creating this environment is not just about physical comfort but also about priming your mind to explore deeper levels of consciousness. 6. Use crystals or herbs for dream enhancement. For those who like to explore the more mystical side of dreaming, crystals and herbs can act as powerful allies. Amethyst and moonstone are often used by dreamers seeking to enhance their dream clarity and awareness. These crystals, when placed under your pillow or beside your bed, are believed to amplify your connection to the dream world. It's like having a spiritual antenna, tuning your mind to pick up on those subtle dream frequencies. Many practitioners swear by these tools, saying they help unlock a deeper understanding of their dream experiences. Herbs have also long been used to enhance dreaming. Mugwort, in particular, is known for its ability to promote vivid dreams and even increase the likelihood of lucid dreaming. A small sachet of mugwort or lavender under your pillow can act as a natural gateway to more vibrant, memorable dreams. The soothing scent of lavender not only helps with relaxation but also prepares your mind for deeper, more meaningful sleep. It's a simple, yet effective way to incorporate nature's gifts into your dream practice, creating a holistic connection between your body, mind, and spirit. Using crystals and herbs is more than just a tradition, it's about creating a ritual around your dream life. When you set aside time to intentionally use these tools, you're signaling to your subconscious that dreams are an important part of your journey. Whether you're a seasoned dreamer or just beginning to explore, adding these elements to your bedtime routine can help enhance your ability to recall dreams, deepen your insights, and open the door to more lucid dreaming experiences. The results may surprise you, as the spiritual and practical merge in your nightly adventures. So, you've got the tools, now it's time to put them into practice. Each of these 6 steps brings you closer to unlocking the world of lucid dreaming, but the real magic happens when you commit to trying them. Imagine what you could discover if you could explore your subconscious on your own terms. What would you create? Who would you meet? The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. Are you ready to take control of your dreams and experience life in a whole new way? Have you ever wondered what your dreams are really trying to tell you? By following these techniques, you'll not only improve your dream recall but also tap into a part of yourself that's been waiting to be explored. Whether you want to dive deeper into your personal growth or just have fun with your dreamscape, lucid dreaming gives you the power to take control. Don't wait, start tonight by keeping a dream journal, setting your intention, and watching how quickly you begin to recall and influence your dreams. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. Continue expanding your consciousness by watching the recommended video that you see on the screen right now.